action buttons in PowerPoint. It'll take about 4 minutes, and by the end, you should be able to create these action buttons, format them with text, and hyperlink them to new slides. Good luck.
All right, I have PowerPoint open, and we're going to create some action buttons and hyperlink them to some slides. So I already have one set up here, but it is not set up to hyperlink to a slide yet, so that's what we're going to do. So what you do is you click on the shape, and then we're going to go to Insert on the top of the screen. And I am on a Mac, but for Windows, it will still be an Action Settings button. So we're just going to click on that. We'll click Hyperlink to, and then we're going to click Slide and Action Buttons. That's the slide we want to hyperlink this button to. So we're going to click OK and OK. I'm going to repeat the same process for the text box, just to make sure that when you click on this shape anywhere, that it will go to the correct slide. So we're going to do the same process. Just click Action Settings, Hyperlink to, Slide, and Action Buttons. To show you that when you click on this button, it doesn't just go to the next slide, I'm going to insert a blank slide here and also a blank slide after this one, just to show you that the buttons do actually jump from one page to another. Next, we're going to go to the third slide and insert a home button and a button to go to the end of the show. So we will go to Insert and Shapes, and we'll choose an arrow for end of show. So what you do is you draw the arrow on the screen. We're going to insert text on top of it, so we'll click Text Box and draw it onto the arrow. I'm going to type end of show to show what this button is actually going to do. Okay, I'm going to change the color of it and add an outline. This is just a couple of things you can do with the different buttons, and we'll make the outline a little thicker so that it stands out. Okay, so now we have to hyperlink it to the end of show slide. So we'll go to Insert, Action Settings, Hyperlink to. You can either do last slide or click the slide button, but I'm going to do this just to show you all the steps. Click end of show. Okay, and just like the first action button we did, we're going to also do the same for the text box. Slide, end of show. Okay, the last action button we're going to create is the home button. Now you have a few options of doing this, but we're going to do it by doing Insert, Action Buttons, Home, and you also have the option of doing it through Insert, Shapes, and those are also down here. So we'll click the home button, and this automatically creates a home button that goes to the first slide. So it already says hyperlink to first slide. So we'll click OK. And then we can also change the color of this. We'll do brown, or we'll keep them the same color like that. And then do an outline. Awesome. So the last thing to do once you've created your action buttons is to make sure they are working properly. So what we're going to do is go to Slideshow and Play from Start. All right, so we'll click on the action buttons to see if it goes to the correct slide. And then we'll click Home, see if it goes back home. Click on Action Buttons again, and then click the End of Show button. Awesome. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps.